This needs to be a bit further back. I need to be a bit shorter. I don't know. Hello, welcome back or welcome to my channel, depending on loads of rubber bands. Welcome to my channel. God, I hate how channel. Welcome to my channel. I am gonna dye my hair today because it looks, well, it looks like this. It's just not good, is it? Yellow on one side and pink on the other. So that's getting to the point. I'm going to use these two colours this way around. This on this side and this on this side. I saw a thing recently saying that the owner of Arctic Fox may not be all that great. I haven't actually looked into it very much at the moment, but these were gifted to me ages ago, so I'm going to use them. I've got loads of Arctic Fox hair dye and I'm going to use it up and have a look into what actually happened. I think it's a waste to not use these even if I don't continue to work with them in the future, so that's that. I thought I'd just clarify. But yeah, first I section my hair. I guess in a way it's already sectioned, but let's section it a little bit more, like this. Why can't I do that first time when I'm trying to actually do space buns? God's sake. Right. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So I've just realised I didn't do it down the back properly. Oh my god, I should really have a mirror. Well, I'm just using the viewfinder. I'm just like, yeah, this is fine. Hopefully that's right in the middle. Really, I should have a mirror behind me, but I don't. So that's that. I don't know what I'm doing. I do this differently every single time. This is a look. Wow. I need a mirror. I got a mirror. It's tiny. Oh my god, look how gross it is. That'll do. This is fine. So I'm going to do this side first. I'm going to do it in the Lilo. There we go. Waste not, want not. What was I saying? I've got one of these. It's already open, but I don't know where it is, so there's a big pile of crap over there. So I like to put it in one of these rather than squeeze it out the weird squeezy thing. So what I was going to say was that this side of my hair is like a peachy colour from where I dyed it orange. So I'm keeping this side of my hair warm colours. So especially if I'm doing like split dye, I'm keeping this side warm always. Well, I might actually change that after a while, but for now it's going to be just warm colours. This is going well, isn't it? You know what? Applying hair dye and trying to talk about stuff at the same time is actually quite difficult. Brain engage, please. Side, as you can see, is this really horrific faded pond purple. Pond purple? That's not a colour. Some of it's pond green, some of it's purple, some of it's, well, lilac. Dirty lilac. Yeah, that's how I would describe it. Dirty lilac. Because I have dyed that side so many different cool green undertoned colours, and of course it's stuck like it forever because that's just the way that it goes. So I'm just going to leave it like that basically. This side's going to go orange because look, I mean it's already going orange as you can probably see. The point I'm trying to make is that once this side fades to like a bluey, ashy, horrible green pond colour, if you put yellow over it, it's just going to go intense pond green, which is not the look I'm going for at the moment, I must confess. So to avoid that, we're keeping warm colours on one side and green colours on the other. Some of this side is actually still, it's actually blue from the other side. I must have pulled too much over, so it's gonna go pond yellow, but that's okay. We're fine with that. Right. Who needs gloves? Not me. Just need to work it through the ends. I definitely don't need gloves. What are gloves? What is the purpose? I know exactly what the purpose of gloves is. It's to stop bad things from happening. So it's gone green on the ends, love it. So I'm gonna just mix in some orange. Oh no, this is so orange now. I want it to match the yellow that's at the top and not the yellow on this bit, because it's definitely green. Oh god, it's all over my leg. Oh my god, why? Oh, don't you just love the really gross sound? Here I am trying to neutralise the green. Honestly, don't put blue on your hair ever. Even though I undoubtedly probably will put blue on my hair sometime within the next few months, because that is what I do. Please neutralise the green. It would be very nice of you. It's in fate's hands. This is fine. Absolutely fine. Just putting it up with a... Good. This is also fine. Okay, so I've washed out the little Chinese bowl, takeaway bowl thing, packet, box. Oh, Jesus. Right. Dun 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 dun. You know what I should have done? I should have started at the back, because now I'm gonna fold over this bit and it's gonna go on the yellow bit, which is not what I want. It's fine, we can do it if you're being cute. I should make a video about hair fading, because I'm definitely, well, I'm not an expert, but like, yeah, I have experience. I don't know, everyone's like, always, how do you get pastel? It's like, I just let it fade, dude. Drop pink dye all down my leg. Ugh. It's going purple. Purple. Ah. Dun 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 dun. Ba da 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 da. Do 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 do. God, remember when dip dye started being a thing back in like 2011 on Tumblr, and everyone just wanted like brown hair with like the ends this much like green? That was weird, wasn't it? I just know that I'll look back on these videos in a few years and I'll be like, what were you doing? That's so not cool anymore, Kayla. It's cool right now. Okay. The side of my hair's gone purple. It's fine. This is why we're dyeing it pink, because colour wheel and all that. We love the colour wheel. We love the colour wheel. Colour wheel, colour wheel, colour wheel, colour wheel, colour wheel, colour wheel, colour wheel. Ooh, I've missed a bit. Oh. Why is my hand like this? I don't know. Ooh. I'm kind of half-assing it this time because I don't have a mirror behind me and I want to make it somewhat entertaining for you guys rather than me just putting it on my hair and just being like, that's me fast forwarding if you did not know. I mean, I think it looks good. It doesn't look exactly how I thought it would. It's the only problem. Oh, I'm running out of battery. No, are you kidding? Right, well, it's almost done, so I'm probably gonna go wash it off in a minute. I'm just gonna drag it through a little bit more, but if my camera dies now, I'll be back when it's done, you know, yeah. Huzzah! Here it is. What was that? I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more orangey on this side, which makes sense because I did put orange in it because it was going green. As you can see under here, there is a strip here of hair that was originally on like the blue side, but I accidentally brought over, and it has gone green. And there are little green bits, like there's a little green bit at the front here, and I don't know, it's alright. I don't think yellow really suits me though. Like I really want yellow to suit me and it just doesn't. But that's fine. My hands are now a weird kind of discoloured. My nails especially, which is lovely. I've got to go buy some milk in a minute. I bet a lady's going to look at me like, dirty. So no, I like it. This side's gone, it's pink here and then it's just purple. Like a magenta-y purple fuchsia colour. Yeah. But yeah, I like it. I think it looks cool. But it's definitely not my favourite. Do you know what I mean? I did matching, well, mismatching. The opposite of what my hair is, I did the eyeshadow. That doesn't make sense. It's fine. I assume that you guys are gonna know what I'm on about. So yeah, I used a different camera this time. I'm sure no one cares. This is just like a point and shoot camera. It's so much easier, and to be honest, the reason why I don't do YouTube that much is because I absolutely hate setting up my DSLR. Anyway, I'm now going, so I'm going to say bye. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Farewell. I hope you have a wonderful day. A wonderful day, evening, morning, day, evening, morning, night, day. And then the day comes, but then the night comes, and then the day. Let me know if you want more. I'm going now. Keep it short and sweet. Bye. Bye.